Hello everybody, welcome to Deep Dive Tech. Today we are going to go over the top 10 most unusual gadgets in 2020. Make sure you watch until the end. Kindly subscribe to the channel and click on the bell button. I get a lot of weird and sometimes wonderful gadgets across my desk, and some end up impressing me by actually being extremely useful. If you like gadgets, you should look at this selection of unusual gadgets that I've actually found to be very useful. So useful, they have found their way into my day-to-day kit. Also, be sure to check out our channel for more unusual and useful gadgets. Number 10. Charmin Robot. Charmin's robot never wants you to struggle for more toilet paper when none is within arm's reach. Controlled via Bluetooth, this vehicle for your TP makes it easier to get a fresh roll once you've run out. You essentially beckon it to your phone and at your most desperate times of need. There's no word on when this bizarre little bot will roll into stores, but cheers to finally seeing a device dedicated to unexpected nature calls, said no one ever. Number 9. Samsung Bot Chef. Imagine having an extra pair of hands in the kitchen, except they're attached to a set of robot arms stationed beneath a kitchen cabinet. As weird as such an assistant might look, Samsung's chopping and coffee-making Bot Chef could very well be a glimpse into our future robot-assisted kitchens. Samsung didn't announce price or availability, but we're guessing if you can afford the Bot Chef, you'd probably be able to afford a real one. Number 8. Y-Brush. 2-minute teeth cleaning is such a drag, am I right? Fast TH Y-Brush wants you to save time with its wacky sonic toothbrush that promises a full polish in just 10 seconds. That's because the mouthguard-looking gadget's 96 bristle clusters can clean half your mouth at once. Y-Brush is one of few CES products you've already been able to buy. Number 7. Modo Bag. If you regularly find yourself late for flights and running through the airport, Modo Bag might be your new best friend. When flipped on its side, the motorized suitcase transforms into a speedy mini scooter. We think of squatting a foot off the floor makes the rider look ridiculous, but CES goers love taking it for a spin on the show floor. Number 6. Samsung Bali. Samsung seems to think that we're ready for an AI croquet ball to pester us around the home. It says Bali, the robot, is able to know you, support you, and take care of you, which isn't at all creepy. Bali can also control your connected smart home devices, remind you to exercise, and offer companionship. Again, definitely not creepy. It's unclear what more Samsung has planned for Bali, including what one will cost and when it will be available. Number 5. Prinker S. The Prinker S temporary tattoo printer is perfect for people who want quick ink without the commitment. The handheld gadget, FDA-compliant cosmetic ink, lasts 1 to 3 days and washes off with soap. Using the Prinker Companion app, you can choose from pre-uploaded designs or create your own. Pass the applicator over to your skin and voila. Number 4. Atmos Faceware. Atmos Faceware is a ridiculous-looking face mask that feeds clean air into your mouth and nose. Though the clear contraption doesn't seal to your face, the company says its one-way outflow prevents polluted, outside air from being inhaled. We fear a future where Atmos is required, both because of its distracting design and intended purpose. Number 3. Segway S-Pod. Segway showed up to CES this year with the wildest wheelchair we've ever seen. The S-Pod self-balancing vehicle looks like it came straight out of WALL-E. It travels up to 24 miles per hour and is designed for enclosed spaces like airports and malls. We went hands-on with S-Pod and thought it was an absolute thrill to ride. Unfortunately, we don't have a price or release date, but this definitely won't be cheap. Number 2. Samsung Selfie Type. Samsung's Selfie Type turns any surface into a smartphone keyboard. Using the Galaxy's Selfie Camera Plus AI to track your hands, Selfie Type lets you tap on an invisible, full-sized keyboard as if it was a real one there. It sounded like a gimmick at first, but at CES it seemed the tech actually works. We don't expect to see this pop up in the next Samsung phone, but there's no reason to think that it's far off. Bonuses. Kohler Moxie. At last year's CES, Kohler Alexa-enabled toilet swept the title for weirdest tech. This year, the company returned with Moxie, the smart speaker shower head. And while it's not quite as captivating as a talking throne, Moxie makes a capable shower DJ. That is, if you're comfortable having microphones in the stall with you. Can we collectively agree that not everything needs to have Alexa? Guardian Exo Exoskeleton. Let us stipulate that Guardian Exo Exoskeleton from Sarcos is both practical and cool. Strapping on a full body suit that lets you lift 200 pounds like you are a circus strongman. Sign us up for that. But let us also stipulate that if putting on that exoskeleton, people are going to think you're cosplaying as Cyborg from the Justice League. Well, let's just see if they keep saying such rude things when you're using your robot arms to fling those pathetic meat sacks in the air like you'd toss a pizza pie. Number 1. Origin Big O. The Origin Big O is so wacky that it actually started as a joke. Origin simply wanted to prove that it could cram a PS4, an Xbox One, and a Nintendo Switch into a gaming PC and show it off to the world. But customers demanded that it became a real thing, and Origin delivered. It actually provides some practical benefits for gamers who stream from their console or simply want to save space in their gaming nook. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the like button, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep up to date with all of our future amazing tech videos.